have good posture sitting standing, how do we reinforce this position? How do we make this normal? Okay. I'm going to give you a wall stretch and one of the wall squats to make your overall body stronger, lower body first. But I also want to reinforce at the same time that upright posture. Good, right here. So right there, he looks pretty strong. So hips against the wall, feet off the wall. Okay, good. Bring your feet together. Bring your feet together. Some more. There we go. Other side too. There we go. And the hips on the wall. One more. All the way back. So back here. Oh, hips. You see my hips on the wall over here? Good. Very good. And head back. And now hands here. Then slide down. Hold. Oh, great. And come back up. Great. This guy. Look at this guy. One more time. Ready? All the way down. All the way up.
Oh my God.
Who is this guy? This guy's showing me up on the door. Does that feel okay?
Okay.
What muscles do you feel? Do you feel the muscles here?
That's okay.
Good. That's okay? Good. Thank you very much. Thank you. He's a setup. Okay. But the goal is, can we get our body to come down enough where we feel a little bit tight in the hips, tight in the legs, and then tight and then come back up again. You may start, if your legs, if you're not comfortable or you're unsure, you may start just here, hold, and come back up. You may come down and go, I'm going to put my hands here also for support. So if I put my hands here, if I go too far, feel uncomfortable, use my hands to push myself up too. So everything has a modification or a variation to allow you to slowly get used to the exercise.